Hey buddies, John Plantech, and this is a complete make of an HTML game. So this is going to be in part because HTML can only hold so much, and I still haven't fixed the bugs that I have on the HTML, even though it works so much better and I can hold more stuff since it literally has just the launch commands and the install file, and then the rest of it on your HTML sites like just like daily games and congregate, where you have everything inside of a decently sized zip folder. Still having issues on actual movement on that one, so if anybody's got an idea, and I did submit a issue that I had on both congregate and on the Coppercube Amberia forum, so if somebody's got a fix for that, thank you. Still haven't checked on those, so probably gonna do that, but right now we're gonna do an HTML multi-part video on how to make a third-person shooter, start to finish. No 6 months gaps, just boom, 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 boom. Again, it's not going to be the most epic quality. A lot of these assets are free, and a lot of them are ones that I've had on my hard drive, but they do not have a home anymore. Like the space station that you see in front of you is gorgeous, but the guy who makes it, I'll put like what he was called or whatever down below. Maybe somebody can find him and be like, please, I'll give you $1,000 and I need some assets, because that's what I was going to be using in videos like this. But until then, we're going to use what we're going to use, and I'll put links to all the stuff, whether I paid for it or whether I downloaded it for free, down below. But because this is an actual project, there's not going to be actual project files down below, since I only get actually paid, and since you get paid for putting this actual like gaming sites, and I use that money to make more videos, yeah, that's how this kind of works. But you're getting a tutorial video, so 2 for 1 special, I don't know. Okay, so let's go straight into this. What am I using? I'm using Coppercube 5 because Coppercube 6 does not have HTML. Sorry, they have HTML, they don't have Flash. That's the issue, is that I need Flash until HTML is fixed. So, this is our scene. We got a planet in the background, and if we go to toggle wireframe, this is what it looks like. It is super, super low poly. I have 2 GUI planes with the name of the game and play. I'm changing the name of the game. This is the test name right now. So the most complicated thing right now is this like little tiny frigate ship, which you are in, and you are docked at this station. So where are we going to start our game? At the ship. We're going to literally model not the entire inside guts of the ship, but a decent amount, like the actual car room, walk around room, bridge, hangar bay, blah blah blah, docking station, because we have a docking little poly docking walkway pipe straight to the station where we start our mission, air quotes, and then from there we actually play the game. So let's get straight into this. Because, oh yeah, flash settings. What are my flash settings? 900 by 600, 40 FPS. That is usually what it's going to be aiming for. Create smaller compressed files. Wait until all the textures are loaded. Also, for anybody on the sites who sees this video and the making of that game, if you're getting low FPS, I have used really low poly assets. Except for probably that chip. And again, Flash is not meant for a heavy, super compressed, like big 3D worlds. Not trying to aim for that here. But if you're having issues, it's because of your Wi-Fi. Went to a friend's house, went to a laptop, popped up one of my games on Congregate. They had bad Wi-Fi. I'm sitting at 13 FPS. I go home where I have good Wi-Fi, awesome Wi-Fi, and I'm sitting at about 48 to 60 FPS. So check your Wi-Fi. So I'll be putting a link of all my projects as soon as I update them down below, but this is the menu, and this is the play, And then we're going to start in on this actual scene. This actual scene is going to be part of the game. That's why it's going to be this type of video. But I'm going to try to put them in under 15 minutes each, 10 to 15 minutes each. So each episode has to be specifically towards something. Might make the series a little bit long. So what are we going to do on this scene? Well, when we click play. So when I hit play, we're going to go to behaviors. When clicked on this, do something. Action. What we're going to do? Well, we're going to hide. Select. 2D overlay. Okay, we're going to do that one. We're also going to change bushes. Change. We're going to make it visible. Select. We did 2, so now we're going to do 1. Boom. 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 So these two things disappear. So we're going to hit, yeah, we're going to play it. We're going to hit play. They're going to disappear. Our FPS is sitting around 40 FPS. Used 14 megabytes. Let's see if we can also change WebGL to 59.99 to 60 FPS. We're going to hit play. FPS seems to be locked in at around 40 FPS. Interesting. Okay, let's check that one more time. But not 90. 60. Boom. Okay. So what are we going to do right now? Well, I actually want to fly in on this ship. So I'm going to take the camera and go flying in toward the ship and make it really awesome, really, really smooth. If it sounds like I am currently rushing, I only am actually trying to keep to my 10 to 15 minute mark. So we're going to take this camera. Boom. And then what we're going to do, we're going to take these cubes that I can use to model this, and I'm going to use, so every time I use one, it uses more memory, more RAM, all that type of good stuff. And I can only use so much of that. But I want a really, really, really awesome, here, okay, let's make these 2D overlays. Not visible. Boom. Okay, cool. I can work now. So we're going to take this camera and we're going to actually make a flying loop toward this ship. Derp. Made another one. We're going to collect this, and then we're going to make another one. I said not to use a whole bunch of them, and you don't have to. But I want something kind of sort of epic. And then we're going to edit its flight pattern. We're going to go kind of sort of flying out and straight into the ship. Kind of hard to see. I wish we could change their color. Even that out. Kind come in at a higher angle. So I come in looking at that ship. Okay, that might be a little bit too complicated. Or more than what I need. Okay. So this camera behavior, wrong one. Okay, when clicked on this, do this option. Okay, and then we're going to add a simple camera. And we're going to set that camera behavior to follow a path. Which path? Path 1. Look into the movement. Okay. And then we're going to tell it to stop. And we're actually going to tell it to do stop and do something. But yeah, okay. Boom, boom. Oh. And it starts down there. Derp. Great. We're going to do some movie magic behind the scenes, but let's set that as the active one. And just see. And I need to set those as visible. Visible. Looking at 40 FPS. Hit play. Oh yeah, behavior. When clicked on this action, change active camera to select camera 2. Boom. Oh yeah, because I said that's not what I wanted it to do. Follow path. Well, that was fascinating. But I'm going to do some movie magic, and with 2 minutes left, I'm going to... Okay, so we're back, and with a little bit of video editing, I got something to what I like. It's not 100% perfect, but I'd call this like an 89, like a decent 89, but not 100%. I'll do that before we get to the next video. But I want you to see how we get this rolling. So I have my scene. We're set to about 40 FPS, about 39 to about 41. We have game name the game. We have our play. We have our little scene. It's a very cool scene. We're gonna hit play. We're gonna fly around this cubicle space box. We're gonna have our ship, and we're dodging a little bit in and out, maybe too much. That's too fast of a turn. And we have our ship. Now the thing is with Copper Cube is that you cannot tell when to slow down in between animated boxes. It's really, really annoying because sometimes I want to go slow, pick up some speed, do a custom turn, part some animated fogger or something, and be like, whoa. But it's okay. And then this is our ship, where we then cut to our actual game, maybe an in-game scene, animated scene, or into an actual, like, this is the game, this is how you control it. But I'm low on time right now, so I'm going to say peace out, guys. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. Expect another video. This is going to come heavy, hard, probably a video a day, unless, again, you know, guys, that I work at a grocery store to pay for law school. So it ain't always cutting roses. So I'm not saying rose cutters have it easy either. But just saying, it is a crazy kind of like time and period what we're in right now. So I'm going to try to get out a video a day. This is more of a therapeutic thing for me because I love doing this. I'm 20 seconds over, so I'm going to say peace out, like, comment, subscribe, post your stuff down below, and I will read it and try to help out. I'm going to get back into this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!